Hi, Fran Torsen here. Welcome to your Real Estate Video Kit portal. This is Real Estate Video Kit version 1, and this is primarily for users of Easy Video Lab. I have a bunch of training, and I have all of the downloads here in one place. So welcome to the training. All of your downloads are right here. I've got a video called How to Organize Your Folders. I suggest you watch that. And I suggest you download all of your resources into a single folder called Real Estate Video Kit. So if you're on a PC, you can just right-click and save link as, and save each of those assets to your folder. There are a bunch of training tutorials, and there will be more to come. Each of the lessons is very easy to find. They're right here in the left-hand column. There will probably be more stuff coming up ahead. I'll probably have some recommended resources and other links for you as well. But for now, work with this to get started and learn how to use it. One big point I want to make right now is about the software. When you get Easy Video Lab, you're going to get immediate access to 2 versions of the software. I'm recording this in mid-July 2018, and at this time there are 2 versions of the software, Easy Video Lab 1.5.3 and Easy Video Lab 2.0. Unless you are a seasoned real estate video software user and you've worked with beta product, I suggest you stay away from the beta version for now. It's cool. I'm going to cover it in another video in this program, but it's not going to work with templates yet. So you can go into 2.0 and you can create a new project and you can create templates and create projects, but you can't import them back into that version. So if you want to work with the Real Estate Video Kit videos, you've got to work with version 1.5.3. And if that's all you work with for now, that's cool. You don't have to download both versions of the software. And you can wait until Easy Video Lab 2.0 comes out of beta and it becomes the stable version and replaces the earlier version. So I just wanted to make a point of that. And now we'll get on to our next video. Hey, come in, have fun, and please, by all means, if you have any questions, let me know. There is a help desk attached to the portal. You can contact me through the help desk or through email or in our Facebook group and our Real Estate Video Mastermind. You can reach me all over. So I'll see you in the next video.